makes us Goans very anxious, because fish and Goans are integral part of what we call is Goanness, Goikarpa. We are a party, as a political party, we had even promised to subsidize fish. But if there is going to be no fish in the ocean, what are we going to subsidize? And how are we going to do it? So I think the issue is not more about Goa. The issue is about the country. Because as my colleague has just pointed out, that within certain nautical miles is the domain of the Goa government. And we being a very small coastal state, we cannot control the other states, mostly our neighboring states, which are irresponsible. Karnataka is one of the most irresponsible states. All of them are today the trawler owners who are being clamped down upon by my colleague, Mr. Vinod Palekar. Their complaints are that you make us follow so many guidelines. But what about our neighbors? Those trawlers are coming and fishing here, and they are going, and we can do nothing about it. So on behalf of Goan fishermen, I also want to raise this issue that the government of India needs to walk the talk. You can't just be talking. You have this so many resolutions taken by the Tuna Commission. There are so many things. But what we see is that there is a fish famine that is approaching. As MLA in the opposition last time, I have been fighting this LED fishing and bull trawling. But basically the fight then was because it is affecting the livelihood of indigenous fishing communities who are on our coastline. They are Kharbi Aha, they are Apongar Aha. They are not going to get fish because the big ones are taking. And this bycatch is what is the result of LED fishing and bull trawling.
On the impact of the use of LED light on fisheries, and accordingly CMFRI advised to ban the LED light fishing within the territorial waters of the state in order to protect the interest of fishermen groups and prevent conflicts and to protect fish stocks. The State Department, in regards to the need to conserve fish and to regulate fishing on scientific basis, and in order to protect the interest of different fishermen groups engaged in prohibited fishing in the specified area by bull trawling or pair trawling, and use or installation of the fishing gears such as LED lights, fish light attractors, or any other light equipment with or without generator, or mechanized fishing vessels or motorized fishing craft for trawling, persining or gill netting.